Can you imagine getting paid $49.64 over and over? I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Rosina with rosinabignall.com, and I have for you today a review of Aprelo. So first I want to tell you a little bit about Aprelo and what it all includes, and show you the bonuses that I have for you when you purchase from the link below this video. And then I'm going to show you a quick demo so you can see what it looks like on the inside. So before we get started, first click on that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can get notified whenever I produce a new review or a teaching video. So, and then click the like button and leave a comment. Thanks. So, Aprelo. Imagine getting paid $49.64 over and over with our new artificial intelligent web app using its unique text and voiceover technology. Aprelo is a highly advanced AI copywriting and marketing software built after years of experience by marketers to eliminate your copywriting, voiceover, and publisher amount. Anyone can create jaw-dropping and conversion-focused text copy for multiple niche or industry. Plus, it also creates high-quality voiceover and publish them using a built-in advanced publisher within minutes, all from one single dashboard. It makes it affordable, fast, and easy to create sales-driven content and can convert that content into high-quality voiceovers in 50+ languages, along with a built-in publisher that you can use to publish that content in a few clicks. The Aprelo A.I uses the latest artificial intelligence tech, fine-tuned and customized to generate copy, create professional voiceover, and publish everything in a few clicks via built-in publisher, all from one single dashboard. So the prices and the upsells. The front end gets you Aprelo, the access to the powerful Aprelo software and training modules. Upsell number 1 gets you Aprelo Pro. Unlock the power of Aprelo with the Pro version. Get unlimited version of all the stuff. Add backgrounds, merge voices, convert big ebooks, and many more stuff that will increase the power of your marketing. Upsell number 2 gets you the Aprelo Done For You version. Get the Done For You content. Presets to earn money with Aprelo. Upsell number 3 gets you the Aprelo Publisher. Publisher generated content for you with the Aprelo Publisher version, and add more extra power to your services. Upsell number 4 gets you the Aprelo Agency. Start your own agency with Aprelo Agency version and charge a monthly fee. Create up to 100 accounts for users from your own dashboard. Upsell number 5 gets you the Aprelo Reseller. Get exclusive reseller license of Aprelo. Sell Aprelo and make a profit. We will manage the service and support for you. And some of the key benefits. Once Aprelo is activated, getting $49.64 over and over becomes easier. Plus, software generates natural sounding voiceovers. Set it up once and continue profiting 24/7. Has tons of happy users. You don't need to record your voice. A powerful AI engine that generates conversion, focused content in any niche or business. No extra fees ever. Even total newbies who have never made a dime. Write high converting content using 50+ copywriting templates. You don't need to know any foreign language whatsoever. Step-by-step training is included. No experience or hard work is required. Works with over 100 languages. Over 600 natural male and female voices to choose from. Has a one-time payment in the launch period. Online, you're getting consistent payments. So let me show you the bonuses that I have for you when you purchase from the link below this video. Bonus number 1, get you the high ticket mastery, how to make those high ticket sales. Bonus number 2, get you how to get better conversions. Learn how to improve your conversions over the top. Bonus number 3, get you the Yahoo Answers Traffic Guide. Learn how you can become the expert other people search for. Bonus number 4 gives you the Fuego Breakout. Build your list using Instagram traffic. And bonus number 5 gets you all the vendor bonuses. So be sure to click the button below this video and get your copy of Aprelo. When you do, you'll get sent to this purchase page, and on that purchase page is a blue button where that's where you get your bonuses from me. So be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Click the like button and leave me a comment. Now, next I'm going to take you on a quick demo of Aprelo. So after the demo, thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.